ADHD and social anxiety. Just as untreated ADHD can lead to unnecessary problems in everyday life, comorbid conditions can cause a tremendous amount of harm in those with ADHD if left undiagnosed and untreated. Though any anxiety disorder can coexist with ADHD, social anxiety disorder is one of the most common. Social anxiety is not shyness. Social anxiety is not a personality trait. Social anxiety disorder is not uncommon in adults with ADHD, but it is commonly misunderstood. Some people believe social anxiety disorder is a synonym with shyness, including some physicians don't believe it exists at all. But for those living with it, it's very real. If you have social anxiety disorder, you constantly worry about being negatively judged by others. You might find it difficult to eat or talk in public, or to use public bathrooms. You might find it impossible to attend social events. As with other anxiety disorders, you might know your fear is irrational but feel powerless to stop it. Some individuals with social anxiety can't eat in front of other people, avoid public places where they may be forced into conversations with strangers, and loathe public speaking. Many teens and young adults with ADHD are susceptible to social anxiety due to executive functioning challenges that impair emotional control, working memory, and self awareness, metacognition. Common symptoms of social anxiety: feeling uncomfortable talking to people outside of your immediate family and or keeping conversations very short, having trouble making or keeping friends, worrying for days or even weeks before an event, being intensely afraid other people will negatively judge you, avoiding experiences or places where social interactions will occur, like parties, classes, stores, restaurants, gyms, grocery stores, etc. Feeling very self conscious around other people and in front of them, experiencing panic attacks including nausea, shaking, or perspiration in social environment. Questions: does ADHD make you socially awkward? Social skills in adults with ADHD. Individuals with ADHD often experience social difficulties, social rejection, and interpersonal relationship problems as a result of their inattention, impulsivity, and hyperactivity. Such negative interpersonal outcomes cause emotional pain and suffering. Do ADHD meds help with social anxiety? Some evidence for that comes from a new study showing that in people with comorbid ADHD and social anxiety, ADHD meds can improve symptoms of both disorders at once. Can you be shy with ADHD? Sometimes, individuals with ADHD inattentive type will be mischaracterized as shy or withdrawn. Typical signs of this form of ADHD include leaving work unfinished and a general disinterest in the classroom. How a person with ADHD thinks. People with ADHD are both mystified and frustrated by secrets of the ADHD brain, namely the intermittent ability to be super focused when interested, and challenged and unable to start and sustain projects that are personally boring. Are ADHD adults immature? Many people grow out of ADHD when they reach adulthood. But for those of us who do not, we carry a certain reputation of immaturity. This can manifest in ways that are frustrating, not just for ADHDers, but for our friends and partners too.